Now let's talk about how liquid paint dries. Imagine that liquid paint is like a pool under the sun. As the water evaporates from the pool under the heat of the sun, the surface gradually dries up. Similarly, in liquid paint, there is a liquid component, such as water or solvent, that evaporates when the paint is applied to a surface. As the liquid component evaporates, the paint begins to dry, and a solid film forms on the surface. The time it takes for the paint to dry depends on various factors such as temperature, humidity, and the composition of the paint. For example, on a hot and dry day, the paint will dry faster than on a cold and humid day. Once the paint has completely dried, the solid film remaining on the surface protects and beautifies the painted object.